Look at the water line. We're taking on water faster than we're pumping. Maintain current levels. Let's see if she stabilizes.
The massive vessel finally enters the dry dock, beginning its triumphant journey of restoration.
All units, maintain current thrust. We have 3 millimeters to starboard. Stand by for final alignment.
Today, we witness the rebirth of a legend, pulled from the depths for a new era of service.
Record 40% loss here at the water line. Got it. Taking a picture of these barnacles now.
Easy. Watch the line. Keep it coming up. How wide is the puncture at the top?
16 inches of severe corrosion. Noted.
The plating here is almost gone.
All right, easy now, easy. Watch the line. Keep it coming up.
It is a monumental task, but essential to bring this legend back to life, stripping away the decades of decay.
Move that section to the lower deck. Heads up below. All right, let's start the high pressure wash on this side. Push from your side. Okay, pull. Watch the cable. What's the caliper reading on this section?
It's coming up at 95.2 centimeters, right at the indicator mark.
A triumph of engineering, bathed in the floodlights, ready for the next chapter of her journey. Attention all personnel. The shift has ended. Please proceed to the exit.
From rust and ruin, we forge triumph. The restoration is underway. Deep beneath the dark ocean, where time seems to stand still, a steel giant lies motionless.
Hold it steady, slowly. Watch the starboard side.
The journey of revival begins with a spectacular salvage effort. As the rust
This crack extends further than the last reading.
Noted. I'll update the schematics now. We should use red chalk for this section. We need to prioritize the focal repair area shown here.
But the analysis suggests we only protect that section. Watch the tension on the east side.
Clear on the west.
Hoist her up slowly. Copy that, steady as she goes.
The pressure on auxiliary boiler 3 is fluctuating slightly above tolerance.
Noted. The thermal imaging shows a minor hotspot near the valve assembly.
Ensure the coat is completely uniform.
The needle stabilized at 0.5. Good, the calibration holds.
Stood hull is lifted from the mud, proudly surfacing to the astonishment of mankind. Entering the dry dock, the ship begins a thorough overhaul.
High-pressure water jets and powerful streams of sand rock away the rough layers of time, revealing its original, sturdy steel frame.
Look at the pressure reading here. It seems slightly off. We should recalibrate once the cleaning is complete.
Ensure these valves are calibrated correctly before we sign off on this section. The laser scan data looks good.
Roger that. I'll finish polishing this bulkhead now.
together now. Push hard.
Laser is aligned. That's a direct hit. Perfect alignment.
All right, hold it right there. Got it. That's exactly 42 feet, 6 inches.
Perfect. Let's get this marked.
The laser is centered. We have alignment on the 4th axis point. Confirm reading, Charlie. It's perfectly aligned.
Watch the paint right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Careful with the corner.
The thickness readings are spot on, and the gloss uniformity is excellent. Look at this. Very satisfying. Confirmed for final acceptance.
Looks aligned. Set the depth. Perfect. The REP00-1 marking needs to be moved to the next segment. Moving to the next segment. Breathing life back into the cold metal. Heads up, moving the main hose now.
All right, easy now, don't kink it.
Attention, the day shift has concluded. All personnel, please proceed to exit points.
Reading confirmed, looks good.
We did it! She's finally afloat! Unbelievable. What a moment for the team.
All engines ahead slow. Maintain course 045. Roger that, Captain. Holding steady.
After years of meticulous work, she breathes again, signaling her triumphant return to the sea.
Hold steady. Almost there. Main cat's engaged.
After years of meticulous work, she sails again, stronger and more beautiful than ever before. The restoration complete, her eyes now scan the horizon, ensuring safe passage for the journeys ahead.
Zoom in on that contact. I want identification now.
Aye, Commander. Scanning.
We are honored to welcome the restoration crew of the vessel back to home port.
After years of meticulous work, she sails again, a testament to resilience, ready for the open ocean.
The alignment on the 8 looks good. Ensure the pressure is consistent on the 2.
Acknowledged. Holding steady.
Run the gauge over this area again, near the weld.
Confirmed. Reading is within tolerance. I'll update the report.
Finally, the mighty hull is revealed. The next chapter of her life begins now.
Engine room, we have separation. Water levels are nominal. Confirmed. Hull moving freely.
Bridge, we are clear of the dock, proceeding to the channel. Roger that. Maintain course 090. Control, this is deck. Rotation sequence initiated. Hydraulic pressure is stable and within parameters. Movement is smooth.
Radar sweep initiated. Confirming defense network online. All sectors green.
All right, that's exactly 12 feet from the seat. Cross-reference that with the schematic for the interpretive panel placement. It matches the P3B diagram here.
All units. Vibrations are within tolerance on level 3.
Noted. We need to shut down this section.
Bit by bit, we peel back the centuries of decay, not merely preserving the past, but resurrecting it for the future.
The structural integrity looks good here. Check the welds on the lower strut, making sure the plating is secure. Readings are stable across the board. Check the schematic right here, and the distance should be exactly 5 meters from the turret base.
Yes, that aligns with the blueprint.
Welds look solid. We'll check the thickness on this section of the primary. It's reading a little thin near the joint. We'll need to reinforce that.
Check the aft reading now. It's almost at the green line.
Confirmed. Data transmitted.
Port side is steady.
Starboard confirms level. We are good to go.
Hold the tension steady. Nice. Steady as she goes.
After years beneath the waves, the great hull emerges, beginning its transformation back to its former glory.
The pressure reading seems stable now that the patina is gone.
Yes, the calibration looks accurate.
We should proceed with the next valve.
This section here seems sturdy enough. Yes, the welds look good. We need to align the display here exactly 45 meters from the turret base. 45 meters, 2 centimeters.
Noted. That confirms the placement.
The welding here is failing the load test. Noted. We need to shut down this section. Check the reading on that gauge there. Looks high. I'll flag it for immediate review.
All units, maintain current thrust. We have 3 millimeters to starboard. Stand by for final alignment.
A triumph of engineering, the culmination of countless hours of dedication. She is finally ready to sail again.
After years in dry dock, the legendary ship finally tastes the sea again, guided by the powerful tugboats.
The long-range scan is clear.
Confirming approach vector, Captain.
All systems green.
Once thought lost forever, the great ship rises again, its spirit unbroken.
We have a clear sweep. Interference is completely gone. Incredible. She runs better than new. Welcome aboard, everyone. So glad you could make it. We're set for a wonderful voyage.
These symbols here on the turret represent the battles this ship bravely fought in the Pacific Theater. A true.
Wow, look at this!
Steady now, Captain. That's my boy.
Look at this map. This is where the ship went down.
Oh, wow. That's much further south than I thought.
I truly never thought I'd see her like this again. They did a magnificent job.
See the angle of the main turret armor. Now replicate that curve right here on the paper, just like this.
This restoration project is truly magnificent.
The ship has never looked better. They did an incredible job restoring her.
It's magnificent, truly a piece of history preserved.
Look at the size of those guns.
Welcome home, crew of the Diamond! We celebrate your safe return to the harbor tonight.
Welcome aboard, honored guests.
Thank you very much, officer.
The ship is beautiful.
This is where the journey begins, deep below the surface, where rust meets the relentless sea.
This hull section is heavily degraded. The scope of the damage is worse than anticipated.
It won't budge. I can't get enough leverage down here. This section here is completely seized. The marine growth is the thickest I've seen on the shaft.
Okay, pull now, harder. It's coming loose. Look out for the silt.
Inflation sequence initiated. Pressure reading is optimal.
This is the largest revitalization project we've ever undertaken. The scale is immense, but the results will be worth it.
The barnacle coverage here is extensive, far worse than anticipated. We have significant corrosion to address before the deadline. The scale of this renovation is unprecedented. These supports alone weigh thousands of tons.
Keep that hose clear. We need this section done by noon.
All right, team. Water levels are stable. Move in and secure the scaffolding.
All right, bring it back just a foot. Easy now. Okay, hold it there. All clear, you're set.
Dive parameters holding steady. Switching to analog for the descent check.
Keep the spray steady on the waterline.
Moving left, almost clear. This crack runs deep. We're looking at significant oxidation here, which compromises the structural integrity of the hull. We're looking at significant pitting here on the shaft. This level of corrosion means a full replacement might be necessary.
This contamination requires immediate sealing and extraction. We cannot afford any delay.
This is where the transformation begins. From this rust, we will build something truly spectacular for Royal Caribbean.
Bridge, this is dry dock control. Confirming the ship's position is secure at berth 4. Current bearing is holding steady at 090.
It's completely rusted through. I'm afraid if I put any more weight on this, it's going to give way.
Push up on your end. We need to clear the bolt. Easy now, easy. Okay, drop it in.
From the raw power of the shipyard, we begin the journey of turning rust into luxury.
The sandblasting media looks secure. Confirm the manifest matches the chemical drums, particularly the corrosive liquids. All right, this section is clear.
They said it couldn't be done, but we're ready to transform her from rust to luxury. This is the severe damage we discussed. We have to reinforce this section immediately.
What about these stress points along the bulkhead?
We prioritize the outer hull welds.
Right here, this pitting indicates severe fatigue. It's much worse than anticipated.
You are not going to believe what I just found. It's a whole nest of king crabs and barnacles.
We're pulling this main line now, and right here you can see the core is completely compromised. It's remarkable the ship was running at all.
To build the future, we first had to deconstruct the past.
It's completely seized. We need more leverage now. Look at this corrosion.
Before we can achieve luxury, we must confront the rust. It's a massive undertaking by dedicated teams.
We scrubbed away the years of service to reveal unparalleled elegance. The transformation is nearly complete.
All right, easy now. Keep it coming down slow. Perfect, secure the load.
The first step in transforming the hull is meticulous preparation, ensuring a flawless foundation for the luxury that follows.
The thermal signature is stable across all sections. We are cleared for plating installation on this deck.
The craftsmanship here is unmatched. It's perfectly smooth, absolutely flawless. We are very proud of this work.
Transforming this vessel required thousands of hours of meticulous work, ensuring every detail reflects true luxury.
Okay, easy now, push it flush to the wall.
Looks good, Cap. Looks good, Cap.
Perfect alignment. The gold really pops. That's the last one. Solid as a rock.
Perfect fit. The captain will be pleased.
Easy down, watch the alignment.
Okay, it's set. Start securing the bolts now.
Roger that, looks good.
The new radar system provides unparalleled accuracy, essential for a ship of this size.
Good news. The luxury suites on Deck 7 are finished. We are right on schedule for the handover.
The calibration is complete. All systems are green.
From the first day we started stripping the rust, we knew it would be a challenge. But seeing it finished, it's perfect.
With the final calibration complete, the ultra-high definition displays bring the beauty of the tropics
Steady now, maintain the pressure, and release the cradles. We did it, she's finally afloat.
Stronger, faster, and more luxurious than ever before, she commands the waves.
This represents thousands of hours of dedication. We are so proud of what we accomplished here.
We transformed this vessel from rust to luxury, creating an unparalleled experience at sea.
Even at full power, the stabilizers ensure perfect tranquility. Welcome aboard.
To the new Royal Caribbean, we turned rust into luxury. Cheers, everyone! Cheers!
This is the best bed in the fleet, worth every bit of the hard work.
The vision was clear: redefine luxury at sea. And as you can see, the renovation was a resounding success.
Welcome aboard. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is absolutely magnificent, isn't it?
Mic check, 1, 2. Whoa, easy on the gain there. All right, lights coming up now.
From rust to this, I'd say we did a pretty good job. The sauna is magnificent.
Welcome aboard. It's an honor to have you both on the inaugural voyage.
The ship is simply breathtaking, Captain. We can't wait to explore.
The transformation is complete.
To the finest ship at sea. Cheers to Royal Caribbean. See that? Perfect balance, even in these conditions. The stabilizers are working perfectly.
This is the best part of the job. They are putting on quite the show today.
From dry dock to luxury, she's ready to sail again.
Beautiful work. Beautiful work.
From rust to unrivaled luxury, the reimagined Royal Caribbean is ready to welcome you aboard.
We took this old ship and made it shine again. I'm proud of what we built here.
Welcome aboard the newly renovated Royal Caribbean, transforming rust into pure luxury. After more than a century, the great ship rises again, a symbol of triumph over tragedy.
I shall remember this night forever, as shall I dance with me.
Help us! Somebody please help! It's so cold! Over here, help me!
The submersible approaches the infamous tear in the hull, revealing the scale of the 1912 disaster.
Magnify sector gamma. I need a thermal schematic on that hull fracture immediately. Confirmed.
The structural integrity of the midsection is failing. Look at the stress fractures here.
The data confirms catastrophic failure within...
The motion to commence salvage operations is approved. All those in favor, please signify by raising your hands.
After all this time.
They did it. They really did it.
They did it. They really did it.
all systems are green. The reconstruction is fully stabilized.
Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side. A little more to the left. Okay, hold it there. Ensure the hull plating meets the new specifications right there.
Yes, calibrating the cutter now.
All right, take up the slack. Easy now, easy.
Chain clear of the blocks, moving steady.
Clear the lower scaffolding, we're bringing in the next section.
Copy that, watch the starboard side.
Power coupling engaged. We are locked in.
Schematics confirmed. The Titan is almost ready. A new era dawns on the Belfast shipyard as the iconic funnel is placed, symbolizing the rebirth of the legend.
This funnel is massive. Keep that line straight.
Roger that, the black looks good against the yellow.
The transcription is a single line summarizing the spoken content of the 8-second video, or if no speech is present.